Welcome to Precision Scrap Handling Systems. We are the premier recycling equipment company supplier for Pomona and the surrounding areas. Our years of experience, dedication, and knowledge make us the best option for recycling equipment services. We provide a thorough evaluation of your business to eliminate further complications. We offer a complete line of recycling equipment that includes balers, shredders, hoggers, and conveyors. Precision Scrap Handling Systems has the knowledge needed to provide the perfect air system required to keep your facility working at its maximum capacity. Our experienced fabricators can provide the custom fabrications required to make your project fit your specific requirement. Precision Scrap Handling Systems Inc. are general contractors experienced in construction requirements of the recycling industry. Call Precision Scrap Handling Systems today.